in a certain type of household, you form your emotional, physical, and communicative habits around your experiences and what you observe. You then take those habits and you subconsciously apply them to your adulthood. Those who grow up with more happy households are likely to go on and lead a very happy and successful life. Those who do not grow up in a happy household will likely fall into a lifestyle similar to that of their caregivers. This can be a lifestyle of drugs, crime, abusive relationships, and so on. But, of course, this is all conditional. Over the years, experts have come to the realization that human behavior is a product of both nature and nurture. My goal is to not only spread awareness and advocate for psychology, but to also help others learn and understand why people behave in the ways that they do, so that they too can apply what they have learned to live life of a higher quality.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
My name is Allie. I'm a mom, a wife, and a psychology major who's working toward a PhD so that I too can contribute to future psychological research and make a difference in this world. If you're the type of person that wants to know a little more about how other humans work, why their actions affect you, and what you can do to nurture your mental health, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to stay in the know about my upcoming content. See you next time!